everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to record high quality audio for YouTube videos. You see, recording high quality audio for YouTube videos is just as important as high quality video. And here's how to ensure your YouTube videos sound as good as they look. 1. Choose the right microphone. We have what is called the lavalier microphones or the label mics. They are ideal for on-the-go recording and interviews. They clip onto your clothing and are less noticeable in the frame. We also have what we call the shotgun microphones. These are excellent for capturing directional sound like dialogue in a specific location. They are often used in filmmaking. Then you can also use the USB microphones, which are easy to connect to your computer and often come with built-in audio interfaces. They are the popular choices for podcasting and vlogging. Next, we have the XLR microphones. They are professionally grade microphones that require a separate audio interface. They offer superior sound quality but can be more expensive. Once you've chosen the microphone, next, you have to optimize your recording environment. Always choose a quiet location to minimize background noise. Record in a quiet room or use soundproofing materials. Then, you can also control the room temperatures. Extreme temperatures can affect audio quality. Avoid hard surfaces. You see, hard surfaces like walls and floors can reflect sound, creating echoes. So use soft furnishings or acoustic panels to absorb the sound. Once you're through with optimizing your recording environment, the next thing to do is what is called microphone techniques. 1. Proximity. The closer the microphone is to the sound source, the better the audio quality. However, be mindful of the proximity effect, which can cause bass frequencies to be boosted. Next, positioning is the next step after proximity. Experiment with different microphone positions to find the best sound. Then use the pop filter. You see, a pop filter helps to reduce explosive sounds like P and B that can distort the audio. So once you're through with the microphone techniques, next you go to monitor your audio, which is the 4th step. Now, headphones. Use headphones to monitor your audio in real time and ensure you are getting a clean recording. You can also use audio meters. Pay attention to audio meters to avoid clipping. Clipping is a distortion caused by excessively loud sounds. Then once you're through with this, which is monitoring your audio, the next step is post-production audio editing, which involves noise reduction. Use audio editing software to remove unwanted background noise. You can also use equalization to adjust the frequency response of your audio to improve clarity and balance. Next, compression. Reduce dynamic range to make quiet sounds louder and loud sounds softer. Next, audio effect. You can add subtle effects like vibration or delay to enhance the audio. The recommended tools for this are 1. Audacity, which is a free and open source audio editing software. We also have Adobe Audition, which is a professional audio editing software. We have GarageBand, which is a free audio editing software for Mac users. Always remember that high-quality audios can significantly improve the viewer experience. By following these tips and experimenting with different techniques, you can ensure your YouTube videos sound as good as they look. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more.